Hello everyone. Today I would like to report some problem with the tool in our workshop. First, we are using a 5 slot started screwdriver so we can accomplish some basic tasks. Second, we have a 10 Phillips screwdriver, but they are worn down. This makes it difficult to tighten or loosen screw properly. Next, we have seven pop ranging from 10 millimeter to 18 millimeter. However, they are not suitable for the new kind of notch and bolt we are using. Finally, we only have one pair of pliers and it's too old and not sharp anymore. So it's not effective because of the user. Our work efficiency has decreased. We really need to replace or add new tool as soon as possible. Thank you for listening.